Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a little animated post for social media. We are going to use canva.com. This is what their logo looks like. I'm already logged in, so it's going to skip the login screen. But what we're going to do is I'm going to search for a design template. I really liked the retro logo. Really liked this one. So I'm going to start here, and instead of Retro Studios, I'm going to change that to my name. And established 1980 is funny because that's actually when I was born, so that works out perfectly. I'd like this to be bigger, so I'm going to select everything here, and I'm going to make the whole thing larger. Like this. And then I think I'm going to adjust this and bring it up a little more, and this one too. Let's see. All right, I'm going to ungroup those so that I can position this one up a little bit higher. Okay, I think I'm happy with that, but this is a little boring the way it is right now. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to animate it. So over here next to download, there's an arrow. I'm going to click show more and then go to animation. And now it's going to show me a bunch of different animations that I can choose from. Let's see. This one, no. Ooh, that one, the cassette tape kind of goes sideways. Do I like this one better? Fades in. This one comes in from the bottom. This one, I kind of like the tumbling. So I think I'm going to choose that one. Now, if I want to send this to people via text message or post it on an internet post somewhere that doesn't allow videos, I would choose the animated GIF option. If I want to post this on Instagram, for instance, because Instagram loops its videos automatically, go ahead and choose the movie MP4 format. I hope this was helpful.